It is not enough to just know him, but the power of resurrection. Amandla ofuna wakhe. Hallelujah. 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 Adam wamazi efa. Baseke phuma ekhaya noAbel. Hallelujah. Kahle umazini kunento kumele conceive. Emveni kokuba iconceive lento izame. Hallelujah. You must check umuntu amazi uba ekumazini intwana iconceive. It's either you conceive life or death. Kunabantu abazistillborn because you knew umuntu wrong wazali stillborn. So that I may know him, not just him, and the power of resurrection. Umuntu oconceive akadli noma yintoni, akahambi noma kuphi. Kuze kubekho umthetho ukuthi